to Ruby Falls. We are in Ruby Falls now. You enter to Ruby Fall. This is the entrance. The cave walk, ticket counter and gift shop. There is a QR code. Through that you can book your tickets, or else you can go to the official website of Ruby Falls, Tennessee, where there are different tours. We did this cave walk to the waterfall. You have a price for adult and child. You can do your tickets online, and then there is a time of every tour. Based on that, there is a person who will guide you where to go and how. You then get inside of the cave, and in order to get into the cave you go through a elevator which takes down 160 feet, and that was incredible. When you get inside the cave, you meet your guide. He or she will explain you what are the attraction about that place, what is the specialty about the place. The cave doesn't have a very good visibility. It has lights with dim lights. It has not so good visibility. So you will have to follow the tour guide, and then they guide you what to see, what to notice, what are the attraction of that place.
And Kentucky, you're at the back of the line. You have a special role. You're the caboose. When we call for the caboose or call for Kentucky, could you please shout something back like choo choo or yeehaw?
Choo choo and yeah.
Yeah, something loud that we can hear at the front, because that'll help us keep the tour together.
We are inside the cave. Prashant, that's a stone. The story of Ruby Fall is a sweet love story. That is, we got to know once we were there. It is a love story between Leo Lombard and his wife Ruby. How Leo and Ruby was high school mate. They fell in love with each other in Indiana State. Then, of course, Ruby moved to Chattanooga, Tennessee, and then Leo Lombard followed her, his lady love. Then he came to Tennessee, he stayed there, he explored this cave. He was a chemist and an adventure person. Then accidentally he was walking on this cave elevator, and then he found this Ruby Fall, the beautiful fall, and then forever he renamed this fall based on his wife's name. How amazing is this?
Looking into a dark hole deep inside a mountain. Some folks might call it wise to turn my hand and off we go. Now, the minute I heard the historic tales of Lookout Mountain Cave, I felt that first pull. The mountain calling me around cathedral, but the entrance was sealed. The railroad needed that passage for their line. I started planning. It took near a decade. Investors took a chance on us, and we bought the land above the cave. The crew worked round the clock, cutting the shaft from the elevator.
This is where the timeless power of love started. This is where Leo Lombard actually started his cave journey with no light, without eating, without water. He started the exploration of the cave, not knowing there is a beautiful fall inside, which will named after his wife name in future, and forever people will come and cherish their love. मोहम्मद बेड़ा बड़ा लोग छोटे
It's a candle.
What is this?
Cactus candle.
Cactus candle. Oh, and completely stone. Amazing. god.
It smells like a crawl space.
My god, what a creation. My god, amazing.
Oh, look how
Dragon school.
yeah, it's like a jellyfish.
Nilkon, I'm thinking we are going to the fall now. I could hear the stream. We are done with the Ruby Falls tour, the cave walk tour. It was incredible. बहुत ही सुंदर cave है वो. Hey, we are just done with our Ruby Fall cave walk. बहुत अच्छा था. I would say magnificent nature creation. जितना भी देखो उतना कम है. Rock formation were amazing. कुछ chemical reaction that guide was explaining with the water and the rock, you know, with duration of time it forms in various shapes, which was amazing to see. And then end में वो cave के अंदर जाके extremely अंदर बहुत ऊपर से छोटे से जगह से that fall was falling, that was also beautiful to watch. It was good. Now we are heading towards Atlanta. यहाँ से कुछ 1 hour 40, 1 hour 50 minute का दिखा रहा है. So we are just wrapping up our first day of travel to Georgia. It was good so far. Weather बहुत अच्छा था morning से, but suddenly अभी it's not good. It's raining outside. Thunderstorm का भी alert है, so we have to be careful. In case ऐसा लगा कहीं पे we need to stop, we will get stopped. Dishan, you want to say something? How was Ruby Fall? You wanna say something? No? He's just tired, I guess. The incredible part is it's a love story. How it formed, how that guy explored the Ruby Fall, that was a love story. One guy, how he followed his love to southern part of Tennessee just to find her, and then he settled here, then he explored that area, he crawled through the cave, and then he found the Ruby Fall. That was amazing to hear. So all the amazing good thing in this world are because of love. It's a proof.
Is it real fact?
With that note, I will sign off from here. Thank you so much for watching my video, and tomorrow there is another second day in Atlanta. Thank you so much. Bye bye.